how to delete your TikTok account within the browser on a desktop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your TikTok account within the browser on your PC, Chromebook, MacBook, anything on the desktop browser that looks like this. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So this is a test account that I created, but to get started, all we need to do is open up a browser, navigate to tiktok.com and log into our account. Once you get logged in, go in this left menu here, select More at the bottom, and then select General at the very top. Once in General, make sure you're on Manage Accounts and just go to the right and you'll see Delete Account. Select Delete next to that. It'll give you an idea of what that means. Your account will be deactivated for 30 days and it won't be visible to the public. But after 30 days, if you do not reactivate it by logging in, your account will be permanently deleted. So go ahead and select Continue. You then need to enter your TikTok account password. Once you do that, select Delete Account. They may ask you to confirm one more time. So go ahead through that process. But after that, again, your account will be deactivated for 30 days and then permanently deleted after that if you do not log in during that time period. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.